beautiful tile. But do you see the lines as they go up and down? That is because this is not what you call a seamless texture. And that's not a big problem because we can fix that. That it is not too terribly hard to do. So I will undo the paint bucket and I will go to where I've got, I had some beautiful bricks there. Here it is, called unnamed. All right, so what you do is you're going to go to canvas size and you're going to put the image on one side in the corner, and it is on relative. So I'm going to change the width from 7 to 14. That's the first thing I'm going to do. All right, so now I'll take this house. I'm going to unlock the background by double clicking on the lock. I'm going to take my magic wand and take away the white. I'm going to then select the ceiling tile. Whoops. You have to be precise with this, that you don't want any white. That's why I took away all the white, because then you'll have a white line or black in the background or anything. You want it to be completely transparent. Now I'm going to copy those and paste them. And now you can see over here in layer, I have 2 layers. Then I'm going to go edit, transform, flip horizontal. When I pull the top one over and I meet it to the side precisely exactly and line that up 100% perfectly, you want to be perfect. Now you see that this side and this side meet together in a mirror. Layer. Merge down. Somewhere I'm a little bit off, and it was because I did the image size as approximate and not 100% the same. So I have some extra white. It's important to get rid of that. So I'm going to, I have it still selected. I am going to go to crop and pull the crop bars in to the exact corner so there is no white group, and click the arrow, and then I'm going to view that at 100%. I still have a little bitty tiny white line. I don't know if you can see it on your end, but I can. I zoom in and pull over there. See, there is still a little bit of transparency there. You do not want that. You want it to go right to the edge, or it will leave a line when you go to pour it out and paste. And hopefully I did that right. Now I'm back at 100%. Now I'm going to repeat it, except I'm going to do it with the up and down canvas size. Image canvas size. The height is 4.583. If I click on the relative button and put in 4.583, it will duplicate the height exactly. All right, and then I can do the same thing. I am going to select all, copy, paste, and this time I will flip, transform, flip vertical. All right, and then you can see as I pour this out and line those up exactly and flatten it, that I now have this image be mirrored here as well. what it also means is that the top and the bottom and the sides are also mirrored. So it becomes a perfect lineless document. Layer, merge, merge. And then you have to follow that again. Go to 100%, go down and make sure you don't have a white space. I do. So I'm going to crop. And that means I didn't get it quite where it was supposed to be when I pasted it in. Now I've lost my white space, but it is really, really huge. It is 14. And I don't think my document can stand to have tiles that big. So I'm going to go to image size. And let's make them about 5. So it looks like that. You can definitely see the triangles in the middle, but sometimes roof tiles have patterns and design, then that won't be so bad. And then if I go to edit to define pattern, and we'll call this one tile 2. Okay, now I'll go to my blank page. I will go to my can, my paint bucket can. The pattern is right now on tile 1, so I need to go to tile 2 and pour it out. And it's not quite as bad as it was a little bit ago. You can see kind of the mirroring look to it. It is seamless, but there definitely will be a pattern on the roof. But that's how you go about making a seamless pattern. It will have some decoration in there that maybe normal roofs will not. So I might want to play with it some more with color and desaturation before I use it actually as a pattern. All right, so there you've got a tutorial on how I drew my building and how I added those realistic textures to it. Now